Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty wall mirror using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used one of Dollar Tree's new round mirrors. I used some of these paper coasters, some crushed mirror that I made from broken Dollar Tree mirrors. I also used some craft sticks, a sponge brush, my Mod Podge. I used some Rust-Oleum spray paint that I already had in metallic silver, this extra fine glitter, some gemstones. I think I purchased these from Michael's for $1.99 some time ago, and my glue gun and Gorilla Glue sticks. I have a complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the cardboard and the mirror from its frame. This was super easy. There's no screws or anything. You can simply pop those right out. I then used my Gorilla Glue to attach craft sticks to the center of 11 of my paper coasters. I then added Gorilla Glue to the craft sticks to attach the paper coasters around my frame. I spaced the coasters together as closely as possible, and with the slight gap remaining, I simply added an additional coaster right on top. I then took my frame and 10 additional coasters outside to a well-ventilated area and gave them a good coat of my spray paint. Once those were dry, I brought them back in, and using my Mod Podge, I added a layer of the crushed mirror to my frame. I shook off any excess crushed mirror and glitter and returned it to my bowl so that I could reuse the same materials throughout this project. I then added a thin layer of the Mod Podge to the coasters attached to my frame, and I sprinkled glitter on all 11 of those coasters. That's good. I set that aside to dry, and while it was drying, I added a layer of the Mod Podge and the crushed mirror to the top of my 10 remaining coasters. And 15 minutes later, I used my Gorilla Glue to add the second layer of my coasters. I added the crushed mirror covered coasters right in between the first layer of the coasters covered in glitter. And because there was not quite enough space for my last coaster, there was a slight overlap. I simply added the Gorilla Glue and placed my final coaster right on top. And once all of my coasters were securely attached, I patted down a final layer of the Mod Podge to seal everything in. I constantly lifted my design and shook off any excess glitter or crushed mirror. And when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I let that dry overnight, and then the following day I turned my design over, glued back down my mirror, and then I glued the cardboard backing to the top of the craft sticks. And when I was done, I had something that looked like this. To complete the project, I added the large gemstones around the mirror, in between the coasters covered with the crushed mirror, and at the bottom of the coasters covered with glitter. And here was my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.